Welcome to today's SEO lesson. We are going to explore one of the most critical concepts in search engine optimization, that is user intent. You will learn what it means, why it is important, and how aligning your content with user intent can dramatically improve rankings and conversion. User intent is the purpose behind a search query, what the searcher truly wants to find, learn, or buy. Google's goal is to deliver results that best match the intent. There are three main types of user intent. Informational. User wants to learn something. Navigational. User is looking for a specific website or brand. Transactional. User intends to make a purchase or take action. If your content doesn't match user intent, it will not rank well, even if it is keyword optimized. Google measures engagement signals like time on page and bounce rate to see if your content satisfies the intent. If someone searches for best budget smartphones 2025, they likely want a comparison guide, not just a product page. By creating a list with reviews, specifications, and prices, you satisfy their informational and transactional intent. Google uses algorithms like RankBrain and BERT to understand search intent and match it with relevant results. This is why understanding the intent is crucial for SEO success. To identify the intent, look at the wording of search query, the type of result Google shows, related searches, and people also ask boxes. Once you know the intent, structure your content to answer it completely. Use clear headings, visuals, and call to action that guides the user towards their goal. When your content aligns with user intent, you will see higher engagement, better rankings, and more conversions. It's not just about traffic, it's about getting the right traffic. Don't just stuff keywords without considering intent. Avoid creating content that is too sales focused when the search is informational or too basic when search is transactional.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.